Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the update on Zcash. Recently, on a 4-hour time frame chart, the price of Zcash has formed this rising wedge pattern. That is a bit critical situation for Zcash because this move is considered as a bearish pass. At the same time, on the 7 days time frame chart, you can see that the price of Zcash is also struggling to break out this very long-term resistance of $372 that was previously acting as a point of rejection here in the month of May 2021. And now again, it is acting as a resistance. And if we take a look at the 4-hour time frame chart once again, then you can see that for the past several hours or days, it is struggling to break out this resistance. By the way, here we have an imminent support that is approximately at $305. That has been recently breaking as a resistance here, and now after the breakout, it is acting as a support. And in today's video, I would also like to show you once again this huge breakout from this falling wedge pattern. And I've been showing you this wedge by the way, even before the breakout, back in 2022 and 2020, from 2023 to 2024, and I've been telling you in those days that after the breakout, we can expect a very massive rally. And so far, from this low to this current high, price on of Zcash has rallied more than 2,274%. And in today's video, I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for Zcash that I shared almost 2 days ago with my members. And so far, this signal has produced almost a more than 15% pump. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Let's start analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Zcash that I shared almost 2 days ago with my members. And that is a bullish bad move that Zcash completed on a 2-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was the complete trade setup. The buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that this time the price had moved slightly down than this potential reversal line here. However, it recovered back and then it rallied to the sell target line here. And so far, it has pumped almost 15%. Before that, recently we caught another pump that was a very massive pump, almost more than 676% pump. And this move I shared in the previous month on 19th of September. And this move was formed with Bitcoin pair on the daily time frame chart. And this was a bullish Garland move that Zcash was completing, in fact, on the daily time frame chart. And this was the complete trade setup, buying zone, sell target zone, the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price and drop more down. Entered the buying zone here. Then we had a nice reversal. And so far, it has rallied almost 676%. That was a very massive rally, by the way. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let's move to the live chart of Zcash. And first of all, let me to show you the 4-hour time frame chart. Even on the daily time frame chart, you can see that this rising wedge pattern is also visible. And for example, if the price breaks down the support of this rising wedge pattern, then technical target to the downside will be here at the bottom of the wedge. That is approximately at $193. By the way, if I place another trend line here at this point of rejection, then you can say this can be a complete support line from 216 to $177. That because this level was previously breaking at the point of rejection here and support line here as well. Therefore, we need to watch out for this area. For example, if the price breaks it down, then we can expect a further drop up to the next level of $100. However, in case of breaking out the resistance of this band, because the momentum is quite bullish for Zcat, therefore there can be a probability that we may break it out. And technical target for the breakout from this batch will be here. That will be approximately at $711. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.